going to need some blueberries, vanilla extract, icing sugar, baking powder, unsalted butter, eggs, plain flour, caster sugar, cupcake cases or muffin cases, and a tray to cook them in. Into your stand mixer, add your softened butter followed by sugar. Mix everything for about 5 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Then add vanilla extract and add 1 egg at a time. Mix it through and then add your second egg. Then add your plain sifted flour with a pinch of salt and mix everything until you get nice smooth consistency. Place the mixture into the fridge for about 1 hour. Line your cupcake tray with some muffin cases and add the mixture inside, about 1.5 tablespoons. Then pop those blueberries inside, about 5 to 6 blueberries per muffin. And we're going to bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Make sure you leave the blueberry muffins to cool down completely for at least 15 minutes and then sprinkle it with some icing sugar and enjoy!